Snapchat login problem C14B. So if you're seeing the problem of Snapchat, that is C14B login problem, you should be able to check a couple of details. First of all, let's say that you're trying to log into a certain account. So I'll just try to log out first of all, and let's say I'm trying to log into some of the other account over here. So maybe first thing you have to check is that your credentials are correct, because if your login details are incorrect, you will not be able to log in. Second step, make sure that your internet connection is working fine. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular data or vice versa and see if that actually helps you solve your problem. If that doesn't as well help you solve your problem, what you can try to do is you can try to update the Snapchat app. So go to your Play Store or App Store, check if the Snapchat app has an update, and if it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. Try to uninstall and reinstall the app, and if none of these are helping you solve the problem, then it could be that your details are incorrect. So you can try to reset your password by tapping on forgot password button, and you can simply reset your password using your phone or your email, and then you're good to go from there on. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.